While we typically manage users, rosters, and schedules within the Gateway web page, it is possible to do all of this from the client. There are even multiple ways that this can be done. The easiest way is to use the built-in components that we've provided for you: the user management component, the roster management component, and the schedule management component. All three of these components can be found in the admin section of the component palette. Each of these components can be dragged onto the window and then used just like any other component. You'll see I can put my designer into preview mode, select my admin user, and then I can select the edit button to change things like the roles that the admin user has, change the password, give them a first and last name, or even add any contact info. I can also add or delete new users, and even add, delete, or edit any roles in this user source. The roster management component, as well as the schedule management component, work similarly, allowing me to add, edit, or remove rosters, or schedules and holidays respectively. Each of these components provides a simple yet effective interface, giving your users the ability to modify users, rosters, and even schedules from the runtime without giving them access to the Gateway web page settings. In addition to these components, you can also use scripting to modify your users, rosters, and schedules. If I go to my script console, you'll notice I have a scripting function listed here. This function, system.user.removeSchedule, will allow me to remove the schedule that I've called my schedule. There are many functions similar to this in the system.user section of our functions, allowing you to modify users, schedules, and rosters, albeit in a more limited fashion. While their functionality is more limited than the graphical counterparts, it does allow you to customize exactly how you want this interface to look on the screen. If you would like to learn more about each of these components or any of the scripting functions available to you, check out our user manual, where you can find all of this information in the appendix section.